You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn off the automatic photo enhancements or auto enhance that the iPhone applies to your photos. Open the Photos app and select any photo you've taken. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Look at the top of the editing screen. You will see a series of icons like Adjust Filters and Crop. The first icon, which looks like a magic wand, is the Auto Enhance button. If it is yellow, auto enhancements are currently applied. Tap this magic wand icon to turn off all automatic adjustments. It will turn gray. The photo will revert to its original, unedited state to prevent the iPhone from ever applying these enhancements. You need to adjust the settings in your camera app. Open the camera app. Before taking a photo, tap the arrow at the top of the screen or the three-line icon to reveal more options. Look for the icon that looks like three overlapping triangles. This is Photographic Styles. Tap it. If you have a style selected, it applies a preset. Look, to minimize all automatic processing, select Standard or Rich Contrast and drag the tone and warmth sliders to the middle 0 position. This gives a more neutral starting point, but True Auto Enhance can only be toggled off in the Photos app after the fact. For more simple iPhone camera tutorials, subscribe to the channel.